everyone. Today here we are to explore a fascinating phenomena of light where its reflection creates multiple images based on the fundamental properties of optics. Well, what exactly is infinite well effect? When two plane mirrors are placed parallel to each other and the light source which is provided bounces back and forth between the mirror surfaces creating infinite images. When we place an object in between these two mirrors, we can observe endless series of images of that object are being formed. And this phenomena is based on laws of physics of laws of reflection.
Laws of reflection of light state that when light is entering into a surface, it gets reflected back into the same medium from where it has come from. Here in the infinite well, we observe that various images are being formed of the same object. The first image appears to be brighter than the second image, and the second image appears to be brighter than the third image, and so on. Now let's see how the mechanics work.
So, when light originating from the object which is placed between the two parallel mirrors travels front and backwards, it creates reflections, and each reflection produced by one mirror acts as a new source for the other mirror. Therefore, multiple reflections are created by each image formed, leading to a series of multiple images created which are virtual and creating an infinite effect in the well. And it also produces an infinite depth as we go on seeing. And also the number of images formed and the arrangement of images depends upon the angle between the two mirrors placed. As we can see, in this experiment we have placed the two mirrors facing parallel to each other. Therefore, the number of images formed, which is 360 degrees by the theta between the two mirrors, which is 0 degrees, leading to infinite images formation, that too in a straight series. Therefore, we can see the so-called infinite depth there. Now we will see if the theory discussed till now is actually applicable in real life or not.
As we study in theory, the mirrors should be 100% reflecting. But in reality, not all mirrors are 100% reflecting surfaces. There is an unavoidable absorption of light energy and scattering of light, which decreases the intensity of light, thus decreasing the sharpness of the image as we look down. And we cannot see the infinite number of images that we are expecting to see practically. Now let's see the applications in the real life world.
Well, when we come to applications, we can experience this wonder in art installations, interior designing, retail displays, malls, mirror mazes and mirror palaces and etc. This law of multiple reflections is crucial for technologies like optical devices and laser instruments. This principle or theory of multiple reflections is not only a nature's wonder but also can help explain many laws of light related to physics. Well, for example, it can help children learn the concepts of light reflection, image formation and wave motion in physics classrooms. It can also help people know about the quantum mechanics of a trapped particle where light bounces endlessly in the mirror maze. Let's see the conclusion.
From this we can conclude that the infinite well tells us the geometric projection of light and its reflection when it is kept between two surfaces. We can understand the differences between that we study theoretically and we do practically. Thank you to one and all.
Thank you.